Today I'm going to repair this Suzuki the choke knob. So this choke knob right here, it broke. So I got order a part from eBay right here. Need to replace. But to replace that choke knob, I had to remove this coil right here and the fuel tank need to come off because that choke knot is buried under that. Okay, so there's a couple screws. It look like 1, 2, 3 screws. About 3 screws, 10 millimeter, and to remove that. So first I need to pop this up. This right here had to come out. So I think you don't need any tool, just use a hand, pop it up. Right there, it come out. I have to go align it, go the same way. So this face this way, see, this here have to face this way, the same way. This right here have to go in here, like that. Very easy, see? So you have to go in here. And make sure you have grease in here. Marine grease. Yep, it's in now. There we go. Choke knob been replaced. Fully replaced. Now what I have to do is to reverse the process. We put this tank back in orderly. At this point I put the coil back and make sure all the 3 holes are lined up properly, and it should be easy to screw everything back on. If you have to force it, that meaning it's not good. So everything looks good, see, with the hand, just like, take it out. That's it. That's it. A little bit more. That's it. Done. There we go. I have replaced the choke knob. Back to original.